Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy way to duplicate a text file using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're organizing your documents or just want a backup copy, this simple process will help you get it done in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, just head to your App Store, download it, and sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main screen where all your files and folders are stored. Next, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab. This will display all the files saved in your Dropbox, organized by folders and recent activity. Scroll through your list or use the search function to find the specific text file you want to duplicate. When you've located your text file, you'll notice 3 little dots next to it on the right side. Tap those dots to open a menu with several options. Among these options, look for Duplicate. Select Duplicate, and the app will prompt you to choose where you want to save the copy. Now, choose the destination folder for your duplicated file. You can pick the same folder where the original file is, or select any other folder within your Dropbox. After you decide, simply tap Duplicate again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your text file will now be duplicated and saved exactly where you wanted. You can double-check by navigating to the destination folder and seeing your newly copied file there. It'll have the same name as the original with a number or copy added, so you can easily tell them apart. Duplicating files in the Dropbox mobile app is a handy feature that helps you manage your documents more efficiently, especially when you're on the go. It saves you from having to create a new file from scratch or risk losing important information. Thanks for watching.